Oh, lives in a pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants.
Hey guys, welcome back to Just for Fun 290. Today we're gonna be opening up this SpongeBob pirate ship.
Ahoy, matey!
Wow, this is gonna be so much fun. Got SpongeBob, Gary, and Patrick. So here's a look at the back of the box. Let's open it up and check it out. Okay, let's start building the ship. Wow, check out this awesome pirate ship.
Oh, this is so exciting!
SpongeBob can squirt water through a hole in his head.
How awesome!
And here's Gary. He can shoot water out of his mouth. And Patrick.
I can squirt water out of my mouth, so it's kind of like spitting.
Ew. Let's check out this ship.
Here's a steering wheel.
You can steer the ship. Whoa! All aboard! Here is the awesome flag. SpongeBob flag. That's a pretty cool picture. Climb up the ropes. Can see pretty far up here.
Can even go below deck.
Cool. Oh, can't really fit. Just squeeze. Ugh. I'm stuck. Ugh. Ugh. Well, we don't need to go below deck anyway. Here's an anchor. Can even reel it back in.
Look, it's me, SpongeBob. Arr.
Come on, Gary. Let's go on an adventure. Exactly. We better pick up Patrick. Oops. Hey, Patrick. Want to go on a pirate adventure?
Would I? Look, my picture's on it and everything.
You betcha, buddy. Let's go. Sailing, sailing, over the wind we go. Ba-do-ba-do-ba-do. Don't know the words in the song. Sailing, sailing, ba-do-ba-do. Where are we going? I have no idea where we're going. Sailing, sailing, over the wind we go. Sailing, sailing. Whoa! Big wave.
Look over there, SpongeBob. Let's go there.
Okay, here we go. Whoa! Where are we? What is this strange planet? Me! You're right, Gary. Let's get out of here. Whoa! We're sinking!
SpongeBob, I'm floating away.
Patrick, you're fine. I'm right here. We gotta get this boat overturned. Come on, Gary. Use your muscles, Gary. Wow, good job.
Come pick us up, Gary. Me!
I got the anchor. Oh, wait. Guess I didn't get the anchor. Got it. Oh, that's better. Oh no! SpongeBob, watch out!
Whee! What's wrong, guys? Oh no!
You're right, Gary. SpongeBob, use your squirter.
That's right! My squirter! Take this! Hooray!
We're coming for you, SpongeBob.
Hooray! We did it! Well, I'm sure glad we're away from that shark now. Oh no, here he is again!
Don't worry, SpongeBob. I'll take care of this.
Patrick, what are you doing?
Take this. Uh-oh. Oh!
Quick, Patrick, get in the boat. Let's go home.
Whoa! What a crazy ride! Sure glad we got rid of that shark though.
Yeah, that was a good idea to squirt him.
Yeah. Good job, Gary.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe to Just for Fun 290 to see more awesome videos. See you guys next time. Bye.
Sailing, sailing, do-do-do-do-do-do.
Oh no, it's that crazy shark again.
Oh, lives in a pineapple under the sea. I love that song.